welcome everyone to a minute in the boardroom. This is where I share some of the ideas that has taken my career from here to here, helped me obviously in the business, obviously in the boardroom where I'm a director of a multi-million-pound business. I just really wanted to share with you some of the things that you can implement to take your career to here, or take your business to the next level. One of the things I'm going to say is don't be afraid to upset the market. Don't be afraid to upset your colleagues. Don't be afraid to upset your company. So many of you are too comfortable. And what I find is that when you're in that comfort zone, you're not prepared to, say to your client you're getting it wrong. You're not prepared to say to the business that you're getting it wrong. You're not prepared to say to your staff or your boss that you're getting it wrong. And because of that, those great ideas, those things that could take to the next level, are not being done because you're so afraid of keeping the peace with everybody. But listen, you've got to be a market disruptor. You've got to disrupt the market. That's how we grow. You've got to learn how to disrupt. That's the word today. Learn how to disrupt the situation. It's not about appeasing everybody and keeping everybody happy. Do you know what? It's actually getting people on their toes again and going, oh my gosh, I need to step up. Because it's when we step up, that's when we grow. And that only happens when we're disrupted. Someone new comes into your market, they disrupt your market, and you think, hey man, we've got to get better if we're not going to be, outsold by our competitors. Or someone comes in and you're like, they're storming, and you're like, yo, if I don't step up, I could lose my job here. I'm always, it's for myself, looking, how can I disrupt things? How can I make the company better? How can I get better? How can I disrupt myself? How can I make myself more valuable? Okay, and that only happens when you remove trying to keep the peace and you disrupt the market. So that's, the tip. If you have something, a question that you want us to answer as well, please, drop us an email, things like that. But, go out there and disrupt the market, disrupt your industry, disrupt your staff, disrupt your boss, and see what happens, see where you can go. All right, God bless you. Bye-bye.